There's really only one renewable energy source that can power the whole world right now, today, and that's solar energy.
Imagine a world where solar energy powers everything from your coffee maker to city skyline. The key to this clean, green future? A groundbreaking technology called Cadmium Telluride, or CdTe. Solar enthusiasts, buckle up. Today, we're diving deep into CdTe solar panels, not your grandpa's old rooftop panels, but cutting-edge, thin-film marvels that are revolutionizing the solar power industry. These are no ordinary solar panels. They're poised to reshape how we harness the sun's energy. As the planet heats up faster than a solar panel in the Sahara, clean energy solutions are more critical than ever.
Cadmium Telluride, or CdTe for short, has the potential to overtake silicon as the big dog in the solar industry.
Enter CdTe solar panels, the rising star in the renewable energy world. But are these high-tech panels our secret weapon in the fight against climate change, or just another fleeting trend? Stick around to find out. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like and subscribe for more electrifying insights into the future of energy. Let's explore what makes CdTe solar panels so unique. These advanced panels are made from a compound of cadmium and tellurium, forming a thin film semiconductor that converts sunlight into electricity. CdTe technology has been in development since the 1950s, but it has come a long way since then and is now emerging as a serious contender in the solar power market. So, how do CdTe panels compare to the more common silicon-based panels?
In this video, we're going to take a look at the state of the art in solar power energy generation, specifically solar power plants. This may seem like an odd idea, but it's really been picking up steam in the last 2 years or so.
Let's start with the numbers. While silicon panels have dominated the market for years, CdTe is quickly catching up. In laboratory conditions, CdTe panels have achieved an impressive efficiency of 23.1%. And this is only the beginning. Projections suggest that these thin film wonders could reach an efficiency rate of 25% by 2025. One of the standout features of CdTe solar panels is their performance in high temperatures. While traditional silicon panels tend to lose efficiency in scorching conditions, CdTe panels keep cool and maintain high performance even when the heat is on. This makes them ideal for sun-soaked regions where temperature spikes could otherwise hinder solar energy production. Additionally, CdTe panels boast impressive energy payback times. This means they take less time to generate the energy used in their production compared to traditional silicon panels. For those concerned about sustainability, this is a major win. CdTe panels offer a more eco-friendly solution with a faster return on investment in terms of energy savings. Whether you're in a desert or a city, CdTe panels are showing that they have what it takes to power our future. But we're just getting started on this solar journey. Now, let's break down the economics. CdTe panels aren't just outperforming silicon in high heat conditions, they're also more cost-effective. With manufacturing costs as low as 46 cents per watt, CdTe technology offers a budget-friendly solution compared to traditional crystalline silicon panels. This price point opens up a world of possibilities, particularly for massive solar farms that can take advantage of CdTe's low production costs. But there's more to CdTe's appeal than just affordability. CdTe solar panels are also gentler on the environment. They have a smaller carbon footprint than their silicon-based counterparts, and their production requires less water, a vital consideration, as water scarcity becomes an increasing concern globally. Plus, companies like First Solar are leading the charge in recycling CdTe panels. By recovering over 90% of the materials used in their panels, they're ensuring that these solar marvels can be given a second life at the end of their initial use. It's this commitment to sustainability that makes CdTe technology a powerful force in the renewable energy sector. So, whether you're looking to save money or reduce your carbon footprint, CdTe is proving that it's a technology worth watching. Let's talk big picture. Solar enthusiasts. CdTe panels aren't just making waves, they're commanding an impressive 40% of the US utility-scale solar market. That's a massive share in the world of renewable energy, and the future looks even brighter. Industry giants like First Solar are ramping up production with plans to build new factories that will boost capacity and meet growing demand. This isn't just about keeping up with the market, it's about supercharging the CdTe revolution. As more companies adopt this technology, we can expect CdTe to become a major player not just in utility-scale solar projects, but also in commercial and industrial applications. From factory rooftops to corporate campuses, CdTe panels are poised to prove that they can power businesses just as efficiently as they power cities. And with continued research and development, the potential for CdTe solar panels is sky high. But let's not sugarcoat it. CdTe's journey to solar domination isn't without challenges. The biggest competitor? Silicon panels. These traditional powerhouses still lead the market with higher efficiency rates and well-established supply chains that CdTe can't yet fully compete with. However, the efficiency gap between silicon and CdTe is closing, and CdTe's unique advantages, like its high-temperature performance and lower environmental impact, give it an edge in certain markets. But to truly outshine silicon, CdTe needs continued investment in research and development. This means pushing the boundaries of efficiency, improving manufacturing processes, and finding new ways to enhance performance in real-world conditions. The race is on, and while CdTe has made significant strides, the next few years will be crucial in determining whether it can truly become a dominant force in the solar industry. Looking ahead, the future of solar with CdTe. So, where do we go from here? CdTe's solar panels have the potential to revolutionize renewable energy with their combination of efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability. But the story isn't over yet. Continued advancements in solar technology will shape the future of energy, and staying informed about these developments is key to understanding how they'll impact our world. As we explore new breakthroughs, CdTe's role in the solar industry will likely grow even more significant. Whether you're a homeowner, a business owner, or a solar developer, now is the time to pay attention to this promising technology. CdTe solar panels are emerging as a game changer in the renewable energy sector. With their impressive efficiency, high-temperature performance, and cost advantages, they have the potential to reshape the future of solar power. As we continue to explore advancements in this technology, staying informed is crucial for anyone interested in sustainable energy solutions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights on cutting-edge renewable energy technologies. Let's continue learning and growing together as we move toward a cleaner, greener world.